In this video, I will show a complete compressor electrical diagnosis using 4 essential tests: terminal identification, continuity or open circuit test, ground test, and insulation resistance test by using of a Megger. So we have a compressor. Okay, so there are 3 terminal in the compressor. Okay, but we don't know which one is starting, common, and running. Okay, we are going to identify. What we done, we have mentioned the terminal such as 1, 2, 3 by a clamp meter. We are going to check. So you have to put your clamp meter in resistance or continuity resistance to check the resistance value. Okay, so first check 1, 2, 2. How much? 2, 0. Next 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, our resistance is 2.8. Then 3 to 2, 4.2. Okay, so the resistance between 3 to 2 is highest. Okay, so 3 to 2, what is the resistance between 3 to 2? 3 to 2 resistance is 4. Okay, then the opposite terminal 1, this is common. Okay, so this one common. Okay, so 1 is common. Okay, then always the highest resistance should be between 2 to 3. Okay, we got the common, then running is the lowest, starting is the medium. Okay, here you can see what is the lowest resistance, 2.0. Okay, so common to 2.0, common to 3, 2.8. The lowest resistance should be running and medium should be starting. Okay, so in this condition, this is common, running and starting. First, we will do the open circuit test. What you have to do, you have to check the continuity between each terminal. If there is no continuity, that means your winding is open. Can you check? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there is continuity. Okay, that means there is no open winding. Okay, so now we are going to check the ground by the clamp meter, but it is not recommended to check the ground by clamp meter. Why, I will show you. Okay, so first what you have to do, connect one in one terminal, another one in body. Okay, you can see there is no continuity, right? So that means there is no grounded we have found by the clamp meter, but this is not the accurate method to check the grounding. So now we are going to check the insulation of the compressor. So we took a high insulation tester or Megger. Okay, so we'll provide 500 voltage DC to the compressor. Okay, 500 voltage DC. Then there are 2 terminal. Line will be connected with the compressor terminal and ground will be connected body of the compressor. Okay, so once we applied 500 volt DC voltage, then you have to press the test button to check the insulation resistance reading. Okay, so when you press the test button, you can see the insulation shows 0.97 giga ohm. Okay, 0.97 giga ohm. Okay, 1 giga ohm is equal to 1000 mega ohm. Okay, so 0.98 is equal to 970 mega ohm. Okay, 970 mega ohm. That means it is not bad. Okay, electrically this compressor is okay because the insulation shows 980 mega ohm. If the resistance below than 2 mega ohm, then we can say this is compressor is faulty. Okay.